Now, if you've never seen Blade Runner movie 2049, which I highly doubt, you're missing on some high-end visual that you barely see in any other movies. And there's one particular scene that I absolutely love. This. So from inspiration, I recreated the colors and posted on my Instagram. Not only one, but 9 photos. And some of you guys went crazy on it. So I decided to make this video and break down the colors for this particular scene. This whole edit will be done with Lightroom. You actually don't need Photoshop, which might be surprising, I know, but if you don't have Lightroom or you only have Photoshop, you can also use the similar tools and adjustment that I will be using in this video on Camera Raw filter in Photoshop. So make sure to look for that so we are on the same page. And if you want to save some time for yourself, you can just download the preset pack. The link will be in the description so you can get the look with one click. Sorry, not sorry, shameful plug, gotta pay some bill. Let's get started. So right away, we start boosting the warm temperature all the way up and then the tint towards magenta. I'm gonna bring down the exposure to bring back some of the details out there, lose the contrast a bit, and then jump to the rest of the adjustment by bringing down the highlight, raising the shadow, bringing down the white, and picking up a little bit of blacks to enhance the details we want to show. And then slightly I want to add a little bit of clarity, and then I want to desaturate the boosted color with saturation and vibrance. Now I'm gonna scroll down and I think I'm gonna play with the HSL a bit. Here you don't need to do the same exact things I do because it would be different for each individual picture. But here I'm trying to boost the orange and yellow color so we get closer to the Blade Runner look. And now we get to a place where the magic truly happened. Color grading. It used to be called split toning before, but it's the same thing, just a little bit more advanced. So I'll start from shadow and then direct the point towards orange a little bit, and then making sure that the colors in the shadows are blended fully by sliding it all the way up. And then I'm gonna go to the highlight and boost all the way up to the orange color in the highlighted parts of the image. As well, slide the blending all the way up. Now we're getting closer to the look we want. So now we will jump to tone curve. This is the last step, and I highly recommend you to watch some instructor videos on YouTube, like detailed videos about the tone curve, so you can actually understand what I'm doing. I start creating 3 up to 5 points between the shadows, midtones, and highlight. The S-looking curve is a common way to pop and add the extra punch to your photos. So I start off with the RGB channels and do the similar S-looking curve separately to the red, green, blue channels, depending on what colors I want to show the most. I do this trick to balance the colors and add a nice punch to photo itself. After we're done with the tone curve, this is the final result. And this is the before, and this is the after. If you made it here, thank you so much. I'm actually recording with my phone. I was too lazy to grab my main camera. Anyway, thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope 2021 will become a little bit less crazier year. Yeah, consider like and subscribing this video because that's how YouTube algorithm works and it will be recommended for more folks. Consider checking out my online shop where you can find all my premium presets, LUTs, overlays, and so on. So yeah, I see you in the next year. I know it's lame.